How Google work. Ever since Google was born in 1998, the company has become one of the most valuable and successful companies in the tech world. But despite having a net worth of hundreds of billions and 15 years of history, the company still maintains a startup mentality. How does Google achieve that? By focusing on so-called smart creatives. Smart creatives are employees who possess a curious, ambitious personality and combine it with their tech know-how. The two effects of the tech explosion. The technological advancement over the past few decades has brought a highly competitive market. Consumers became increasingly more demanding, as they could easily compare prices and quality, reviews, of products. So companies had to adjust and produce better products to stand out. The second effect of the tech explosion is that companies could develop products very quickly and cost-effectively. Digital products scale incredibly well, which is why a tiny group of engineers can produce a product used by millions of people. It is also easy to outsource work. Smart creatives. Successful companies need to rely on employees who can give them a competitive edge. These employees are called smart creatives by Google. Smart creatives combine ideas from different areas. They combine business and tech expertise in a creative way. They are competitive, curious and very ambitious. They are so passionate about their work that they will have no problem pulling all-nighters. The hiring approach then is to bring in those types of engineers and give them as much freedom as possible, letting their intrinsic motivation free flow. Smart creatives are the essence of Google. Hiring smart creatives. Hiring should be a top priority. So instead of relying on just a single opinion of a manager, as it is the case in most companies, you should create a committee to represent the company's different viewpoints. Resumes aren't the best way to find the most interesting and intelligent employees. Finding them requires imagination. Google's CEO Eric Schmidt asks himself before making any hiring decision, if he were stuck at an airport with a prospective employee, would they be able to hold an interesting conversation? Building a creative, free-thinking company culture. To attract smart and creative people, you have to create a company culture which attracts those types of employees. The culture should encourage interaction, as smart people love to talk to other smart people. Freedom. Smart creatives don't like to be in a rigid environment. Employees should be able to speak their mind and have freedom to make their own decisions. A good starting point to define the company culture is to create the guidelines and principles that attract smart creatives.